Imagine stepping into a high-stakes environment where every word matters and time is of the essence. As negotiation interpreters, we are not just translating languages, we are the linchpin for global communication, ensuring that crucial exchanges between international professionals are flawless. Join us as we delve into the core competencies that transform a simple day into a masterclass in cross-cultural communication. Mastery of languages. It's more than just translating words. We decode intricate technical jargon and industry-specific terms with precision, ensuring every detail is understood perfectly. Cultural intelligence. We bridge cultures by understanding the subtle nuances of communication styles, ensuring that nothing gets lost in translation and fostering mutual respect. Building instant rapport. In minutes, we become trusted allies to professionals from diverse backgrounds, making them feel not just understood but also valued. Thinking on your feet. Unexpected questions or changes in plans? No problem. We adapt instantly, ensuring that conversations flow smoothly and without hesitation. Laser sharp attention to detail. From complex technical specifications to sensitive discussions, we ensure that no critical piece of information is missed or miscommunicated. Unyielding confidentiality. Entrusted with sensitive data, we act as silent guardians, ensuring that private information remains secure and confidential. Unshakable emotional resilience. When tensions rise, we remain calm and composed, navigating high-pressure situations to keep conversations productive and professional. Adaptability in action. The ability to switch gears seamlessly, whether it's an impromptu tour or a sudden technical deep dive, we deliver flawless translations regardless of the setting. Flawless note-taking. Capturing key details in real time, we ensure that nothing is forgotten or overlooked, serving as both interpreter and memory keeper. Unmatched professionalism. Our presence, from punctuality to polished demeanor, exemplifies professionalism, reflecting the importance of every interaction we facilitate. At the end of the day, we've done more than interpret. We've empowered every participant to walk away informed, confident, and prepared. The machines are mastered, the teams are motivated, and the mission is accomplished. Ready to elevate your next event or training with seamless communication? Contact us and ensure nothing gets lost in translation. And don't forget to subscribe to the Modlingua channel.